Welcome to Geometry Tidbits, short, fun videos to sharpen our geometric wits. This video is featuring Corresponding and Sam Ehler, and they are very, very helpful, both of them. Okay, let's look at our diagram here and see what we've got. Well, we have two right triangles. And we can see that also these two line segments cross, forming a pair of vertical angles. And we know that vertical angles are congruent. So now we see, with respect to these two right triangles in this kind of butterfly diagram, we can see that we've got two pairs of congruent corresponding angles. What that means is we can use the AA similarity postulate, which tells us that these triangles, ABC and EDC, they are Sam Ehler triangles. Sam volunteered his name. It was very nice of him. We also call these similar triangles. What does that tell us now that we know that they're Sam Ehler triangles? Well, it tells us that their corresponding parts have relationships. Specifically, we now know that angle ABC is going to be congruent to angle EDC because they are corresponding angles in similar triangles. We also know that the corresponding sides of Sam Ehler triangles are in proportion. That gives us a lot of information. Cora volunteered her name very kindly for this information. That allows us to say that side AB on this bigger triangle divided by ED will equal AC, this leg here, divided by EC, the corresponding leg on the smaller triangle, and BC, the hypotenuse on the bigger triangle, divided by DC. All these ratios will be equal to each other if we're careful to go from triangle to triangle back and forth as we did. That's a lot of information. Once again, corresponding sides of Sam Ehler triangles are in proportion. All these ratios are equal. Now, why are we spending this much time on this diagram? Well, it turns out that this exact diagram shows up in some pretty complicated proofs later on in geometry, sometimes more than once in the same proof. So getting the idea that when you see crossed lines in a pair of right triangles that you immediately know they're similar like that can be very, very helpful to be able to pick that up quickly. So I want to thank Corresponding and Sam Ehler for helping us out here, and wish you a great day in a geometric way. Geometry is awesome.